Hello friends, hi, welcome back to our YouTube channel. And today we are going to discuss about how to build trust. Okay, trust building is very important in our life with anyone, with our friends, with our colleague, with our parents. Okay, so without wasting of time, let's start. Building trust involves consistent action, honesty, and reliability over time. Trust is not built overnight, it develops gradually when people see that your word and action match. So, if you say something, if you do something, then you are not trustworthy. If you say the same thing, if you do the same thing, then you are trustworthy. So, we have to build the trust, we have to do the same thing what we say. Okay, so let's talk one by one. How can we build the trust? The first one is identify your goal. That means determine why you want to build trust and with whom. Understanding the importance of trust in your relationship, work, or community will help you to stay committed to earning it. Okay. So if you know why you are building trust with your friends, with anyone, okay, with your colleagues in workplace, with community, it will help you to to committed to earning it. Okay, to build the trust you have to know why you want to build, with whom. Okay, next one is start small. Begin by seeing dependable in small matters. That means keep simple promises, arrive on time. If you keep simple promises, if you promise someone, if you keep it, then they will trust you. Okay, if you say, if you're in your workplace, there is a time to comes to office is 10, and if you every day comes on 10, then they will trust you. They will say, okay, this is the person who comes um, on time. Okay, so that's how it is important. Small things is very important to build the trust. Okay, follow through on commitments. Small act of reliability lay the foundation for greater trust. Okay, so that's the thing. Start small. What is what small things that you can do, you can, or you will do. Okay, so set specific goals. Decide on clear behavior you want to improve, such as being more honest. You want to become an honest person, you want to communicate more openly. So what you want, decide it. Consistently fulfilling your responsibility. If you consistently fulfill your responsibility, they will trust you. Okay, definitely people will trust you if you are if you consistently fulfill your responsibility as a worker in the office, or like as a teacher in school. You have some responsibility. Okay, and you have to fulfill it. If you fulfill, people will respect you, people will trust you. Okay, next one, create a routine. Make trustworthy behavior a daily habit. Make trustworthy behavior daily habit. You have to make it a habit. Practice honesty, treat people respectfully, and consistently do what you say you will do. Okay, so if you are saying something, doing something else, then people won't respect you. Okay, and it won't help to build the trust. So to building the trust, we have to create a routine. We have to like be a trustworthy person. We have to honest. Okay, we have to treat people respectfully. So these are the things that we can do. Next one is track your progress. Reflect regularly on your action and interaction. So try to know about yourself. Am I really taking action to build the trust? Am I really interacting with people in that way to build the trust? Okay, so track your progress. Consider whether you kept your commitment or not. Okay, so if you keep a promise, like try to ask question to you and know about it. Are you really keeping your promise or not? Okay, so that matter the most. By tracking our progress, it will help us that we are really going on that way to build trust or not. Okay, so and act it with integrity throughout the day. So you must have to be an integrated person. Okay, next one is stay accountable. Ask for feedback from trusted friends, family member, or colleagues. Their observation can help you to identify area where you can strengthen your trust. Okay, so it's very important to become a to build the trust. We have to be a accountable person. So stay accountable. That means you can ask to your friends, hey, like, do you trust me? If they will say in front of you, I will trust you, but you can see it in their behavior. Okay, if you think, if you observe that no, they are really, they are saying something else and telling something, then it will help you to know about yourself. Okay, so always ask other. Next one is stay positive. Building trust take time, especially if it has been damaged before. Okay, it will definitely take times, but focus on steady improvement and do not become discouraged if results are not immediate. If people are not trusting you, okay, it's okay. But if you consistently work on yourself to build the trust over over a time, we people will definitely trust you. Okay, so stay positive. Next one is reward yourself. Acknowledge your progress when you consistently demonstrate trustworthy behavior. Recognize your growth can help maintain motivation. So it is very important. Trust is very important in every, like, things. Okay, in every sector. Okay, in everywhere. So it is very important to we have to build the trustworthy or trust. We have to build the trust with the people. Okay, next one is stay flexible. Be willing to learn from mistake and make adjustment when necessary. If someone points out a behavior that affects trust, listen carefully and work to improve. If someone say you are not trustworthy, you last time you said something and you did something else, then you have to listen them carefully and you have to change it. Okay, so that's the thing. So these are the things that I told you that will definitely help you to build trust. So we can do. Why we are discussing about building trust? As you know, it is very important. If people don't trust you, you won't get any type of job, you won't do anything, you won't be happy person also. If in a family your if in your family, if I'm talking about your your wife does not trust you, okay, then there will be a problem. If a teacher does not trust the student, okay, so there will be a problem. Everywhere we have to build the trust, so it is very important to building the trust. Okay, so we have to learn how to build the trust. Okay, so I told you some of the steps here. It will definitely help you to build trust. So by following this step consistently, you can gradually build strong trust with other and develop a reputation for honesty, reliability and integrity. Thank you guys for watching our videos. I hope this step could help you to build trust with other. And for more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching our videos. Okay, bye.